In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Personalize section right away. Then choose Fonts right under Themes and apply the best one for you by simply clicking on it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. Additionally, if you wanna know more, I discovered that you can access Moto folder, then find MOTORUP and click on those three lines at the top left corner to access all of those options, including Personalize one. Then hit Fonts and apply the best one for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!